something in the air just above me, something like a dream state. You call it a clean break. Do you feel the vibes, baby? Do you feel the vibes?
Isn't just me, do you feel it? I can feel it in the air. Isn't just me, isn't just me.
Do you feel the buzz or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air just above me, something like a dream state. I can't even see straight. Do you feel the buzz, babe? Do you feel the buzz?
I'll be damned. What about all the beeping, guys? I think I broke anything. That was a hard smash, though, man. No, the arm's not broke visibly. It might be broke under the tape, but that was awesome. Like, that was flow. That was extreme flow for me. Yeah, that was awesome. That was like, wow. I tried to get it to land as good as I could. I didn't rip off the pads, but I definitely smacked the front arms.
Yeah, you came in, it dropped
cool.
the tail because see, look.
Oh, I see that back there, yeah.
You skid back here, and then it rolled over.
Yeah, you can see it, it skid it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got lucky on that one.
Yeah, you did.
I got so lucky.
No,
that don't happen normally, guys. Don't think it did. Don't think it does. Sometimes you just get lucky. I tend to get lucky though. Randall, he tells me it's skill. Yeah, who says you have to have goggles?
This is a better way of playing Velocidrome than on the computer.
Yeah, you get the real life feel. And you look at your little tiny shitty monitor, deal with bugs in your face like you normally would out in the fucking element. Right now we got bad mosquitoes. Oh god, that was scary. This is so much fun though. It's just challenging as fuck. I know a lot of people do this with their tiny whoop, but do you do this with acro and your quad? Like, I'm not going to do this with a 5-inch, but... Oh, into the tree. Didn't see it. I hit the tree.